need to claim the child tax credit or additional child tax credit. In this quick video, we'll show you how to fill out Form 1040, Schedule 8812, your child tax credit form, using pdfFiller, so you can get it done accurately and store it safely for IRS submission. First, a quick note. This is general how-to guidance only. Always follow the official IRS instructions for your situation. Before you start, you should already have Form 1040 mostly completed, especially the dependent section, where you checked boxes for child tax credit or credit for other dependents. Have your dependents' names, social security numbers, and your income details handy. In Part 1 of Schedule 8812, click into each field and type the number of qualifying children under 17 for the child tax credit, the number of other dependents for the $500 credit. Then enter the dollar amounts the IRS instructions tell you to use for each line. This section figures the non-refundable child tax credit and credit for other dependents that reduce your tax on Form 1040. Next, Part 2A handles the additional child tax credit, the refundable part that can increase your refund. Click the field for your earned income and type the amount from your 1040 as directed in the IRS instructions. On the following lines, enter each number exactly as the instructions tell you, such as income over $2,500 and 15% of that amount, using your own calculations or a separate calculator. If you have 3 or more qualifying children, complete Part 2B the same way. Click each field and type the numbers from your worksheets in Schedules 1, 2, and 3 of Form 1040, following the IRS line-by-line instructions. When everything is filled, review all names, social security numbers, and amounts. Click Done to save your completed Schedule 8812 in your pdfFiller account. From there, you can download, print, and mail it to the IRS, or keep it securely stored in the cloud with your other tax forms. Ready to finish your Schedule 8812 without wrestling with paper forms? Start your pdfFiller free trial. Search for Form 1040, Schedule 8812, and complete your child tax credit form and additional child tax credit details online in just a few minutes.